Okay, this is set 17, Max Paper 1, Booklet B. We go on to question 16 now. Question 16. Find the value of 27 divided by 3 plus 100 minus 86. Using the rule of operation, you always do the bracket first, so we have 27 divided by 3 plus 100 minus 86 is 14. Do division first. That will be 9, 18, 27, so 9 plus 14. So our final answer is 23. Question 16 answer is 23. Move on to question 17. Express 5 2 over 5 as a decimal. This is the same as 5 4 over 10 1 0, which means this is 5.1 decimal place, which is 4. So our final answer for question 17 is 5.4. We move on to question 18. 8 boys shared 4 over 7 of a cake. What fraction of cake did each boy get? So we have 4 over 7 of a cake. We have to divide it by 8 boys. This is actually 8 over 1. We should have 4 over 7 times 1 over 8. 4 divided by 4, 1. 8 divided by 4, 2. So our final answer, 1 times 1 over 14. My final answer for question 18 is 1 over 14. Question 19. Arrange 0.8, 0.18, 1.8 and 1.8 from the smallest to the largest. Okay, from here we could see that 0.18 is the smallest, followed by 0.8, followed by 1.08, and finally 1.8. This is the answer to the question. We move on now to question 20. Question 20. 20 out of 50 pupils wear spectacles. What percentage wear spectacles? So there is 20 pupils out of 50 that wear. This is the same as 40 over 100. This is the same as 40%. So question 20, answer is 40%. We move on now to question 21. The table below shows the parking charges at Compass Car Park. Mr. Tan parked his car at Compass Car Park from 4 p.m. to 6:15. How much did he have to pay? So first of all, we have to find out 6:15 p.m. minus away 4 p.m. That will give us 2 hours and 15 minutes. So the first hour is actually $3. So 2 hours, 15 minutes. We minus 1 hour. This is actually $3. We still left 1 hour and 15 minutes of car park charges. Subsequent half an hour or part therefore is $1. So 1 hour 15 minutes we divided by 30 minutes. Okay, so 1 hour there's 30 minutes plus that 15, we have 3 parts. Each part is $1. So the first hour of $3 plus $1 per part times 3 parts. So altogether we have to pay $6 of car park charges. So for question 21, our answer is $6. We move on to question 22 now. Ratio of Kim saving to Andy saving is 5:3. So Kim is to Andy 5:3. If their total saving is $40, altogether 5 plus 3 is 8 units, and this will give me $40. So 1 unit is actually $5. How much is Kim saving? Kim saving is 5 units, so it's $5 times 5. Final answer $25. So Kim has actually $25 of savings. Question 23. The usual price of an electric fan is $70. It was sold at a discount of 30%, which means 100% minus 30%. We still have to pay 70% of the price of the fan. What was the price of the fan after the discount? So 70% off $70. 70 over 100 times $70. Cancel, 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 cancel. 7 times 7, 49 over 1. Question 23, answer is $49. We move to question 24. Okay, looking at the pencil that we have. At the tip here, that will be actually 12 cm mark. At the end of it is 18 cm mark. So 18 minus 12 equals to 6. Answer for question 24 is 6 cm mark. A point to remember, always watch out for the starting and the ending marking. Question 25. The figure is made up of two squares. Okay, so I have two squares side by side each other. Okay, square A has an area of 25, which means it must be 5 times 5, so here's 5, here's 5. Square B has an area of 49, so this means 7, 7, 7. Find the area of the unshaded part. So the unshaded part of the triangle looks like this. If we bring this triangle out, it will look like that. So here will be 5 plus 7, and here will be 7. So area equals to half times base times height. Area equals to half times my base, which is 5 plus 7 is 12, times 7. Cancel, cancel 6. This will give me 42. So my answer for question 25 will be 42 centimeter square. Okay, we move on now to question 26. Okay, question 26. Looking at the diagram, we know that triangle QTR is equals to triangle PTQ, which is equals to 20 centimeters square. Triangle PTR would be 20 times 2, which is 40 centimeters square. Now we have area of rectangle PUSR equals to 40 times 2, which is 80 centimeters square. And that's my final answer for question 26, 80 centimeter square. Now we move to question 27. A piece of rope 15 meter was cut into two pieces. One piece was 2/3 the length of the other piece. So the first piece is to second piece is 2:3. Altogether this is 15 meters. So 5 units, 15 meters, 1 unit, 3 meter. What was the length of the shorter piece? Shorter piece will be 2 unit. So answer 6 meters. So answer for question 27, 6 meters. Okay, we move on to question 28. Every time Cindy saves $1 into her piggy bank, her father puts another 50 cents into it. So this is like a set. You have $1 and you have 50 cents. So each set is actually $1.50. When Cindy had $15 in her piggy bank, how much was put in by her father? So $15 divided by per set is $1.50, means there's 10 sets of it. In every set the father gives 50 cents, so 50 cents times 10, which means the father put in $5. So question 28, your answer is $5. We move on now to question 29. 1.5 liter of syrup is mixed with 3.25 liters of water. The mixture is then poured equally into 50 identical glasses. What is the amount of mixture in each glass? So you have 1.5 liters of syrup with plus 3.25 of water. This will actually give us 4.75 liters of water. 4.75, we have to divide it by 50 glasses. So we will have 4.75, we divided by 5, which will be 0.9 minus 45. 2, we bring down the 5, which is 5. Not forgetting is 50. So we bring a 4 in. So this answer will be 0.095 liters. We convert it. So 1 liter is actually 1000 milliliters. 1.000 liters is 1000 milliliters. 0.095 liters is actually 95 milliliters. So our answer for question 29 is 95 milliliters. Okay, we go on to question 30, the last part of our answer. Rina had 180 sweets. She gave 40% to Katie and 25% of the remaining sweets to Henry. How many sweets did Henry get? Okay, so at first she has 180. Okay, she gave 40%, which is actually 4/10 to Kitty, which means she'll have 6/10 remainder, and 25% of the remaining sweets to Henry. 25% is actually 1/4, which means she left with 3/4. So this is actually to Henry, and they need to know this fraction in the box. That will be 6/10 times 1/4. We should have 6/40. We simplified it, 3/20. Okay, so this 180 is 20/20 units at first, so 20 units is 180. 1 unit is 9. 3 units is 9, 18, 27. So our final answer is 27. This is the end of paper 1 booklet B.